Hello world! Did you know? Wildebeests are super interesting. These hoofed wanderers, often called gnus, are part of the antelope family. They're famous for their epic yearly migration, one of nature's greatest spectacles. Some groups travel over 1,000 miles with as many as 1.5 million individuals on the move. But don't be fooled, they're not just followers. Wildebeests are strong swimmers and can reach speeds up to 50 miles per hour. So much more than meets the eye, right? Catch you next time for more fun facts.